Hi guys, it's me Jer once again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we're gonna talk about how I got back my odds in just 3 days guys without PIN verification. So keep on watching.
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
Alright guys, for today's video guys, I'm gonna tell you what are the steps that I did in order for my odds to get back on my channel. In just 3 days guys. Take note, it's only 3 days, not 30 days. So keep on watching guys. In my previous video guys, I have shared with you why suddenly my odds stopped running on my video. If you have watched that, probably you know the reason already. For those who haven't watched it, please watch it. I'm gonna put the link on the description box below. Alright, let's go in the topic. How I got back my odds in just 3 days. So guys, after I've learned that my odds have gone on September 23rd because I haven't verified my address yet. It's been 4 months since the Adsense emailed to me the PIN and until now it's not being verified. That's the reason why my ads have been removed recently. So guys, I would like to remind you again, please remember to request for your PIN if it doesn't arrive in 3 to 4 weeks when it first mailed to you by Adsense. You may check the date when did they mail to you your AdSense PIN on your Google AdSense account guys. So you have to log in. So here you go guys. First thing I did after a research and after I gathered a few ideas from our fellow YouTuber who has the same problem with me, I first checked the AdSense help support. And then I waited for 24 hours for their response to me through email. Then the second thing that I did is, as per their advice, I have created new AdSense account. Surprisingly, on the third day, guys, my monetization came back again. So I noticed again the dollar sign on my videos. What I did after I saw the dollar sign on all my videos, it wasn't on yet, so I have to on it one by one. And then after that, voila, my ads came back again. So I would like to thank the help support for helping me to get back my odds in just 3 days. Thank you so much, help support. You really did a good job. Good job. But don't be happy yet guys because my problem regarding my PIN haven't resolved yet. Since I have created my new AdSense account, I have to reach the $10 threshold again. So it's like I'm back to zero. So when I reach this $10 threshold, AdSense will going to mail me my new PIN again in my current location, which is in Greece. So I need your support guys. Please do watch my videos. Don't skip the odds so I can get the $10 threshold very soon. So I will really appreciate your help guys. Question number 1. Are you wondering guys what will happen to my old AdSense account? I have my pending payment balance on my old AdSense account guys and I haven't paid out it yet. So I need to collect it. But how? Actually, it's not clear for me yet. But what I have understand on my email that they have sent to me on the second day, verify my new address first with PIN. In order for me to request for payment transfer in my new AdSense account. So it's really hassle guys. So for now, it's free. I cannot get my first salary yet. Until I verified my new AdSense account. Oh, so sad, right? So it's really hassle guys and I really need time to process everything. Hopefully guys, next time I talk to you, I have resolved or fixed my problem already regarding my AdSense PIN. Please guys, continue to support my channel. So please continue to support my channel guys. Please watch the end of the videos and please don't skip the ads. so you can help me to resolve my problem very soon. Again, thank you so much guys for all of you for always supporting my channel and for always watching my videos. I really appreciate all of you from the bottom of my heart. You are now part of my journey here in YouTube. So thanks everyone. See you on my next one. I love you all.